Hello guys, welcome back to hashtag A to Z with Varsha, and today we are going to learn 10 different ways to style letter V. So I will start with the basic formation of letter V. First I will make a entrance stroke, then a down stroke, and then a up stroke. For uppercase letter V, I will do the same, but I will start from the A center line, and here first I will make a down stroke, then an up stroke, and we are done with the basic formation of letter V. Now I am moving to the lowercase flourishing. So I am starting with the basic formation, and now I will add flourishing like this. Now moving to the second one. Now I will make this downstroke a little curvy. Then I will go up like this above the waistline and will do flourishing like this, and it's done. Now here, instead of using the entrance stroke, I will do little flourishing and then we'll switch to the basic formation. Now this one is very easy. I will just start with a little curve and then I will go up like this, and it's done. Now moving to the uppercase flourishing. Now I'm starting this one with flourishing, and for that I will use thin stroke. Now moving down, so we will use downstroke, and I will make this downstroke a little curvy. Then I will go up like this, and it's done. Now for second one, I will start with the thin stroke. Then as we move down thick, then again moving up, so thin, and now down, so thick, then going up, and again here we will make the same flourishing. You can see these both are almost similar. Now moving to the next one. Now this one is little unique. Moving down, then we'll make a small circle here and we'll go up like this. Now moving to the last one. So guys, we are done with letter V. Now only 4 letters are left. So stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you.